DPP v. K, a minor, 1990. The defendant was a 15-year-old boy who left his chemistry class with a tube of acid to go to the bathroom. While he was in the bathroom, he heard someone approaching and panicked, pouring the acid into a hand dryer. He then left the bathroom and did not tell anyone what he had done. The defendant later claimed that he intended to go back and clean the acid up at a later time. However, before he could do this, another person used the hand dryer and was sprayed with acid. The defendant was charged with assault occasioning actual bodily harm. 1. What mens rea is required to convict someone of assault occasioning actual bodily harm? The High Court held in favor of the prosecution. The defendant was reckless, and so had the necessary mens rea.